Hi everyone, this is Pushpa Sinha with a new video. In previous part of the lesson 4, we have discussed about the balance stat and its importance in our life. But what happens if not followed these balance stat in our daily life? Of course, the balance stat if not continued, the person may fall ill and suffer from diseases. So the diseases are the defect or the abnormalities found in our body. These diseases are classified into two main categories. First one is the communicable disease and the second one is the non-communicable disease. Children, in this video we will discuss how these diseases occurs and how it can be cured. So let's begin. A disease is any defect or abnormality found in body. The disease may be caused due to the malfunctioning of some body part or due to the lack of particular nutrients in the body. It is classified into two main categories. One is the non-communicable disease and another one is the communicable disease. We will discuss one by one. Children, first we will discuss about the non-communicable disease. Causes of non-communicable disease. One cause may be the hereditary and another is the environmental and the third one is the lifestyle, poor health habits or the poor diet. And this is the most important because this poor diet leads to the so many disease, and this is called the deficiency disease. The disease which occurs due to the lack of particular nutrients in the person's diet are called deficiency disease. This nutrient may be calcium, may be the carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. So now we will first discuss about the deficiency of vitamins. If a person is having the deficiency of vitamin B, the disease called is loss of vision and symptom will be the poor vision or the loss of vision in the darkness, and sometimes it leads to the complete loss of vision. The person is unable to see. If deficiency of vitamin B1, it is the disease called beriberi, and weak muscles and very little energy to do work is the symptom. And vitamin C, if the deficiency of this vitamin C, the person suffers from the disease called scurvy. And in scurvy, there is a bleeding gums and wounds take longer time to heal. If a person gets injury, then it takes long time to heal. And if the person have deficiency of vitamin D, the disease called rickets. And in rickets, the bones become soft and bent. Here you will see here in picture, this boy is suffering from deficiency of vitamin A. It has the loss of vision. This vitamin B, unhealthy nerves and muscles. Vitamin D, shape of bones becomes changed, bow shaped bones, and vitamin C have the bleeding gums. Now we will study about the deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins. Carbohydrates are the chief source of energy for the body. The energy produced by carbohydrates are used by our body to perform various tasks, and if we have the deficiency of this carbohydrate, it leads to the loss of body weights and loss of stamina. Body feels weakness. And if the deficiency of protein, then it is the disease called marasmus, and the symptom of this disease is thin limbs, weak appearance, enlarged head, loss of weight and retarded physical and mental growth. The child look like this. Now we will study about the deficiency of minerals. If the person have the deficiency of calcium, then brittle bones, excessive bleeding and stunned growth is the symptom. The person feels pain in bones. And if the phosphorus deficiency, then bad bones and teeth, body weakness. Sodium have also the dehydration and extreme body weakness. Potassium, muscles weakness and paralysis. And if you have the deficiency of iron, then the disease is called anemia. And deficiency of iodine, the disease is called goiter. And fluorine deficiency, dental decay, teeth, problem in teeth. Here you can see the person suffering from iron deficiency, and this is the boy who is suffering from protein deficiency, and this is the deficiency of goiter. Here you will see the enlargement in neck glands. And the calcium deficiency, the teeth becomes deshaped and it looks very ugly. Now the prevention of deficiency disease. What we should do to prevent ourselves from this disease? One should take balanced diet containing all types of nutrients. Our nutrients must have the balanced diet having all the proteins, fats, vitamins, carbohydrates and minerals. One must follow good food practices and habitats. Children must have given adequate amount of milk product and additional food items like juice, soft boiled rice, porridge, etc. You should take care of our diet. Now we will discuss about the communicable disease. The disease which is caused by the direct or indirect spread of germs from one person to another is called communicable disease. This communicable disease spread from one person to another by any other means, or it may spread through the direct contact or the indirect contact or any other contacts like eating contaminated food. Direct contact is by touching the infected person. Indirect contact by sneezing, coughing or sharing personal items. So there are two ways for the spread of communicable disease: by living agents and by non-living agents. Living agents like insects. If the mosquitoes bite, we have the disease like malaria and dengue, and it's spread by the bite of mosquitoes. By fleas, the disease caused is plague. And now we will discuss about the non-living agent which spread the disease. Air, water and soil, these are the non-living agent but also spread the disease. For example, common cold, measles, chicken pox, it spread through the air. The infected person sneeze in air, cough in air, and through the air it just enters in the body of healthy person. From water, the disease which spread are typhoid, jaundice and cholera. And from the soil, the helminthiasis is a disease which spread. So now we will discuss how to prevent these communicable disease. We must have to wash our hand properly, cover our mouth while sneezing or coughing. Proper care of food. Don't share food. Eat healthy food and exercise to improve the immune system. For this communicable disease, we have to take care of our personal hygiene. Children, you know it very well. Nowadays, we are just the problem of COVID-19. It is a communicable disease, and for this we have to cover our mouth while sneezing and coughing, and just to save ourselves we have to wear the mask, and we have to maintain our personal hygiene. So students, these all about the communicable and non-communicable disease. So now we will summarize what we have learned. Disease is a defect or abnormality found in body. Disease may be communicable and non-communicable. Deficiency disease occurs due to lack of nutrients and can be prevented by taking a balanced diet and following good food practices. Communicable diseases spread by both living and non-living agents, and it can be prevented by taking care of personal hygiene and by improving immunity. Hope you enjoyed learning with me and now are well aware how to protect yourself and how to keep yourself healthy. Thank you.